Hermès Bag, synonymous with exclusivity, craftsmanship, and prestige. Owning one isn't just about carrying a handbag, it's about holding a piece of art in your hands. But have you ever wondered what goes into creating this iconic status symbol? The process is far from ordinary. It's a journey that involves rare materials, expert craftsmanship, and countless hours of dedication. Let's step inside the Hermès workshops and uncover the secrets behind making the world's most coveted handbag. The stories of Hermès began in 1837 when Thierry Hermès opened a harness workshop in Paris, catering to the European nobility. Over the decades, the brand evolved, applying its mastery of leather craftsmanship to create handbags that would become the stuff of legend. The Birkin, Kelly, and Constance bags are now symbols of luxury and exclusivity, coveted by fashion lovers around the world. The story of the Hermès Birkin bag, which is the most popular bag, began in 1984 when actress and singer Jane Birkin found herself sitting next to Jean-Louis Dumas, then the CEO of Hermès, on a flight from Paris to London. Birkin lamented how difficult it was to find a stylish yet practical handbag. Inspired by her needs, Dumas sketched what would become the Birkin bag on the back of an airplane sickness bag. Today, the Hermès Birkin is a global fashion icon, transcending trends and time. With a waiting list spanning years and prices reaching six figures, owning a Birkin is a symbol of unparalleled luxury. Before a single Hermès bag is crafted, its design is carefully considered. Hermès's in-house designers create precise sketches that balance practicality, elegance, and timeless appeal. Why it matters? The design must honor the brand's rich heritage while incorporating modern touches. A fun fact about these bags: every Hermès bag design has to be approved by the Hermès Artistic Committee, ensuring it meets the brand's exacting standards. The journey of an Hermès bag begins with selecting the perfect leather, a process more exclusive than the bag itself. It all starts with the finest materials. Hermès sources its leather from the best tanneries worldwide, with an unwavering focus on quality and sustainability. From the soft Clemence leather to the iconic Togo and exotic skins like crocodile and ostrich. Each hide is hand-inspected by expert leather specialists for quality, texture, and evenness of color. Only flawless pieces make the cut. This ensures every bag not only looks stunning, but also lasts a lifetime. Why it matters? The leathers must be flawless, as even the slightest imperfection means the hide will be rejected. Sensory detail. Imagine running your fingers over buttery soft Togo leather or the textured finish of an exotic crocodile skin. Materials as luxurious as the finished product. Once the leather is selected, skilled artisans trace bag patterns onto the hide using traditional templates. Artisans use handcrafted metal templates to cut precise leather pieces, ensuring every panel fits perfectly. Precision is everything. Even tiny components like straps, handles, and clasps have dedicated templates. They carefully consider the leather's grain and texture to ensure a cohesive and harmonious look. Using razor-sharp cutting tools, they cut each piece by hand, a process that requires patience, skill, and an eye for detail. Think of it like cutting fabric for a custom suit. Precision is key to ensuring every seam aligns flawlessly. Stitching is where the real magic happens. Hermès bags are sewn using the brand's signature saddle stitch, a technique passed down through generations and is the hallmark of its craftsmanship. This method involves two needles working simultaneously through the same hole, creating an incredibly strong and even seam. If a stitch ever breaks, the rest of the seam holds firm, a testament to the bag's durability. This stitch is both decorative and functional, ensuring the bag lasts for decades. Even if the smallest mistake is made, the artisan must start the entire panel from scratch. Why does this matter so much? Machines simply can't replicate the strength and beauty of a saddle stitch, making every Birkin bag an unparalleled example of handmade perfection. Once the pieces are stitched to perfection, the bag finally begins to take shape. This stage involves shaping the bag, attaching the handles, and inserting the bag's internal structure. Iconic hardware like the Hermès lock, keys, and clasps are made from solid metals, often plated in gold or palladium. These pieces are designed and crafted with the same meticulous attention to detail as the bags themselves. The handles are crafted from multiple layers of leather, stitched and reinforced for durability. The interior is meticulously lined with soft goatskin leather, hand-fitted for a luxurious feel. Metal hardware, including the lock, key, and clasp is polished and attached by hand. Once the hardware is ready, artisans assemble the bags by hand, carefully ensuring every component fits perfectly. Imagine the soft rustling sound of leather being stretched and folded into the iconic Birkin shape. Once assembled, the bag undergoes edge painting, a painstaking process where artisans apply multiple layers of edge paint to seal and protect exposed leather edges. Artisans use a small paintbrush to apply the edge paint, often requiring up to 5 coats. Each coat must dry completely before the next layer is applied. Each edge is smoothed with heated tools and meticulously painted with multiple coats for a flawless finish. This step prevents fraying while enhancing the bag's overall appearance. It's a delicate, time-consuming process, but perfection is non-negotiable at Hermès. Want to know a fun fact? The signature Hermès orange paint is reserved for specific models, adding a pop of color that's instantly recognizable. Before an Hermès bag is deemed ready for sale, it must pass an exhaustive quality control process. Inspectors scrutinize every stitch, seam, and surface under bright lights, ensuring absolute perfection. They also check the hardware, ensuring that locks, keys, and clasps function perfectly. Any flaw, no matter how small, means the bag is sent back for adjustment or even complete reconstruction. This means that only the most impeccable pieces ever reach Hermès boutiques. After passing the intense quality control checks, the Hermès bag is ready for its final journey. Each bag is delicately wrapped in Hermès branded tissue paper and placed in the iconic orange box. The finishing touch? A silk dust bag embroidered with the Hermès logo, ensuring the bag stays pristine until its new owner unwraps it. The painstaking craftsmanship, coupled with limited production, is why Hermès bags are so rare and desirable. They're not just handbags, they're investments, often appreciating in value over time. Their exclusivity has made them status symbols, gracing the arms of celebrities, royalty, and collectors alike. Creating an Hermès bag is not a task, it's a labor of love. Depending on the model, a single bag can take anywhere from 18 to 40 hours to complete, sometimes longer for exotic skins or custom orders. Each bag is made by one artisan from start to finish, adding a personal touch that makes every piece truly unique. Want to know a couple fun facts? Hermès artisans train for years before they're allowed to craft Birkin bags independently. Each bag takes between 18 and 25 hours to complete, longer if made from exotic leathers. The most expensive Birkin ever sold was a Himalayan crocodile Birkin, which fetched $500,000 at auction. From selecting the finest leathers to hand-stitching every seam, the making of an Hermès bag is a masterclass in craftsmanship. It's a tradition rooted in heritage, passion, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. So, the next time you see an Hermès bag, remember, it's more than just fashion. It's a timeless work of art, crafted by hand, and destined to be cherished for generations. If you enjoyed learning about how Hermès bags are made, be sure to watch our video on how Chanel bags are made, and also please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more behind-the-scenes stories from the world of luxury craftsmanship. Thanks for watching.